AI referral traffic converts 4 to 23 times better than organic search. And most e-commerce stores are accidentally blocking it. Today I'll show you exactly what to block, what to leave open, and how to track all of it in GA4. I'm Andrey from Body Marketing. I manage Google Ads for e-commerce stores, and over the past few months I've been watching AI traffic grow in my clients' analytics, sometimes 500% year over year. The problem is most store owners either ignore it completely or panic and block everything. Both are mistakes. Today I'm going to walk you through the 3 types of AI traffic hitting your store right now, show you how to track it in GA4, and give you exact robots.txt rules to copy-paste so you block the right bots and keep the ones that send you customers. I'll also show you a real example from an AI shopping visibility report we ran for a client, so you can see what these gaps actually look like in practice. By the end, you'll have a clear action list you can finish this week. Before you touch any settings, you need to understand what's actually hitting your store. Most people hear AI bots and think of one thing. In reality, there are 3 distinct types of AI traffic, and each one needs a different response. Think of it like having a bouncer at the front door of your store. You wouldn't tell the bouncer to lock the door completely just because a few shoplifters showed up. You'd tell them who to let in and who to keep out. That's exactly what we're doing here. The first type is training bots. These are bots like GPT bot, CC bot, Claude bot, and Apple bot extended. They crawl your entire site and scrape your product descriptions, your images, your category pages. All of it goes into training datasets for AI models. They don't send you any traffic, they don't cite you, they just take your content and use it to improve their models. The direct cost is server load and bandwidth. The indirect cost is your intellectual property being used without any compensation. These are the shoplifters. Tell the bouncer to keep them out. The second type is search bots. These are bots like OAI search bot, which powers ChatGPT search, Perplexity bot, and Google bot for AI overviews. They work differently. They fetch your product pages in real time when a user asks a question, something like best running shoes under $150. The bot reads your page so the AI can include you in the answer. Search bots don't send you traffic directly. They are the pipeline. They read your pages so AI can cite you, and then a real person might click through from that answer. If you block these bots, no one using ChatGPT or Perplexity or Claude will ever see your products. These are paying customers trying to walk in. Don't let the bouncer turn them away. The third type is AI referral traffic. This is the one that matters most, and it's not a bot at all. When a search bot cites your product page and a real person clicks through from that AI answer, that's AI referral traffic. These are real humans. Pre-qualified buyers who already got a recommendation before they landed on your site. AI referral traffic grew 527% between January and May 2025. These visitors convert 4.4 times better than organic search on average, and up to 23 times better in some verticals according to Ahrefs data. They arrived having already decided your product is worth looking at. This is the traffic you want. And it only exists if search bots can read your pages. So here's the chain. Train bots take, search bots read, referrals buy. Block the first, allow the second, track and grow the third. Now here's the most common mistake I see. Cloudflare has a block AI bots toggle. It's one switch. And it blocks everything, search bots and training bots alike. If you or your developer enable this as a default security setting, your products may already be invisible in ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Google AI overviews. One toggle, the entire chain broken. If you use Cloudflare, go check that setting today. Here's the frustrating part. GA4 doesn't separate AI traffic by default. Visits from ChatGPT get lumped into referral. Visits from Google AI overviews show up as regular Google organic. If you're not actively looking for it, you'll never see it. And you can't optimize what you can't see. So let's fix that. Step 1. Create a custom channel group. Go to Admin, then Data Display, then Channel Groups. Click Create New Channel Group. Name it New Default. Add a new channel and name it AI Traffic. Set the condition to source matches regex and paste in this pattern: chatgpt.com, chat.openai.com, perplexity.ai, claude.ai, gemini.google.com, copilot.microsoft.com, edgeservices.bing.com. I'll put the full regex in the description so you can copy it. Now here's the detail that most tutorials miss. You need to move this new AI traffic channel above referral in the list. GA4 evaluates rules top to bottom. If referral is higher in the list, it matches first, and your AI traffic rule never fires. This one ordering mistake makes the entire setup useless. Drag AI traffic above referral. That's it. Save group. To view AI traffic, go to Reports, Traffic Acquisition, click on Session, and select Session New Default. You should see AI traffic on the screen. Step 2. Understand the blind spot. Traffic from Google AI overviews show up as Google Organic in GA4. There's no way to separate it natively. It looks identical to a regular Google search click. If you run in Google Ads, search Shopping or Performance Max, your campaigns are automatically eligible to appear in AI overviews. You don't need to do anything extra. To get a rough signal on paid clicks from AI overviews, check the GAD_source URL parameter in your Google Ads landing page reports. A value of 1 is a standard search click. A value of 5 has been associated with AI overview placements in a PPC community research, though Google hasn't officially confirmed the full mapping. Still, it's the best signal we have right now, but treat it as directional, not definitive. For organic AI overview traffic, server logs are the most reliable option. Tools like Screaming Frog can also parse those for you. Step 3. Separate real visitors from bot noise. Not everything that shows up from an AI source in GA4 is a real person. In your GA4 exploration, watch for those red flags: zero engaged versions, zero engagement time, not set as the medium, or traffic spikes from countries where you don't sell. Genuine AI referral traffic from real users will show referral as the medium and normal engagement patterns: page views, time on site, add to carts. Filter out the bot noise so you're making decisions based on real numbers. Here's where we get specific. I'm going to give you the exact robots.txt rules to paste in, but I also want to talk about some of the trade-offs, because not every decision here is black and white. Block these training bots. Add this to your robots.txt file. Disallow all for GPT bot, CC bot, Cloud bot, Apple bot extended. Leave these search bots alone. Do not block them. OAI search bot, which powers ChatGPT search, Perplexity bot, and Google bot. Block Google bot and you lose organic traffic entirely. Now, the one trade-off you need to think about: Google extended. This is Google's training-specific crawler, separate from Googlebot. Blocking it stops Google from using your content to train their AI models. That makes sense on the surface. But here's a trade-off. Blocking Google Extended could reduce your presence in future versions of Google's AI, which could affect how often you appear in AI overviews down the line. For most e-commerce stores, I'd still block it. But you should know that it's a judgment call, not a clear-cut answer. The long game most people miss. The AI models that recommend products today were trained on content crawled months ago. If you blanket block every AI crawler, your brand gradually disappears from future model versions. 6 to 12 months from now, your product stops showing up in AI-generated answers. This doesn't mean let everyone scrape freely. It means be selective, not reflexive. And understand that your visibility in AI is built from your web presence over time. One specific thread worth mentioning: Amazon's Buy For Me feature. Amazon launched an AI agent that scrapes small retailer product pages and routes the purchase through Amazon's checkout. Your product page, your content, their sale. That's one bot worth blocking if you can identify it. So far, everything we covered is a defense, keeping the wrong bots out. But you also need to give the right bots something worth citing. The simple highest impact action, according to research from PPC Town Hall: add schema markup, product schema, FAQ page schema, how-to schema, hard-coded in your HTML, not rendered through JavaScript. AI crawlers often can't execute JavaScript, so if your schema is only loaded via JavaScript, they'll never see it. Beyond schema, use answer-first content. Structure your product pages and blog posts so the H2 is a question and the first paragraph directly answers it. AI models love pulling clean answers from clear structures. Understanding what's actually wrong with your AI visibility, let alone fixing it, is not a trivial task. There are dozens of signals AI agents look at, and most of them aren't visible in your standard analytics. That's why we developed an AI shopping visibility report for e-commerce stores. The report answers one question: when someone asks an AI assistant to recommend a product in your category, do you show up, and if not, why? It picks your best-selling product category and audits it from the perspective of AI shopping agents. It scores 4 areas: product data quality, can AI parse your on-page titles and specs, schema markup, is your structured data complete enough for crawlers to extract, feed health, is your merchant center feed complete, and AI discovery. We test real shopping queries across multiple AI platforms to measure your actual visibility versus competitors. Then it gives you a competitor comparison and a 90-day action plan prioritized by impact. Here's what this uncovered for one store we audited. The merchant center feed scored an 8 out of 10. Brand, color, material all properly set through feed rules. Google shopping data looked great. But AI shopping agents don't read the merchant center feed. They crawl the actual product page. And on the page, none of those enriched attributes existed. Page titles had no brand name, no certifications. The product had 624 reviews at 4.9 stars, but none of that was in structured schema markup. AI agents couldn't extract it. The AI discovery score was 2 out of 10. We tested 8 shopping queries. This store appeared in 2, 25% visibility. Their top competitor appeared in 7, 87%. The competitor had editorial coverage on 5 major media outlets, published comparison guides, and dominated Reddit recommendations. This store had none of that, despite having a lower price, more color options, and a unique product variant no competitor offers. The report shows them exactly where the gaps were, what to fix first, and how long each fix would take. That's the difference between guessing and knowing. Now, one important reality check before we wrap up. If you see tools promising you to get ranked number 1 in ChatGPT, save your money. Research from Rand Fishkin and SparkToro found that if you ask ChatGPT for brand recommendation 100 times, there's less than a 1 in 100 chance you get the same list twice. The odds of getting the same ordering twice are less than 1 in 1000. Companies are spending over $100 million a year on AI ranking tools that are tracking noise. What actually matters is your visibility percentage, how often your brand appears across many different prompts, not whether you're number 1 or any single query. AI traffic is early. Most of your competitors haven't thought about any of this. That's exactly why it matters. This is where e-commerce SEO was in 2010. The stores that show up in AI-generated answers now, while the channel is still growing 500% a year, are building a visibility advantage that compounds. The same way early SEO adopters built positions that took years for competitors to catch up to. Okay, this week do 3 things. 1. Set up the AI channel group in GA4 so you can actually see this traffic. 5 minutes, copy the regex from the description. 2. Audit your Cloudflare settings and robots.txt. Make sure you're not accidentally blocking search bots. 3. Check whether your product pages have product schema markup. Right-click any product page, view source, and search for schema.org/product. If it's not there, or if it's only loaded through JavaScript, this is your next project. Talk to your developer about adding it server-side. That's it. No $10,000 AI optimization tool, no rank number 1 in ChatGPT, snake oil. And if you're serious about AI visibility for your store and want to know exactly where you stand, check out the AI Shopping Visibility Report I mentioned earlier. It'll show you your scores, how you compare to competitors, and what to fix first. Link in the description. If this was useful, subscribe. I put out videos like this every week, breaking down what's actually working in e-commerce advertising. I'm Andrey. Thank you and have a great day.